It's too heavy.
Did you?
And I wanted this too. Definitely wanted this.
Me too.
I was like, really wanted
Oh
it.
my God, how does Santa know?
Wow.
Look in your truck.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Monster truck.
You wanted a kid's monster truck, didn't you?
Dad. Oh!
Oh, I think this one's yours is right here. Do you want? Did you see this? What's that big red box?
Oh!
Luca, what's that red box?
Hey, look, it's a R for Rocco, L for Luca.
Oh, an ornament.
Two glass. Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
¿Tú moviste las cosas, Stacy?
what is that, Rocco, in the
Sí,
red?
claro,
What
ya
is
no.
that in the red box?
Esta mañana lo moviste, sí. Algo así.
I don't know.
Para prender la luz.
Ah, no podía llegar allá.
What's that? I don't know. A watch. Oh, it's a thing. It's a wire that you swing on it.
A zip line?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Wow. It's a
So
zip
you
line.
both-
And what's that blue box?
Nice.
What's that blue box?
Which blue box?
By your feet.
Here?
Yeah.
I don't know. Wait. Save See what?
Are you excited? Did you get everything that you wanted?
Yes, I did.
Oh, you must have been good boys.
And walkie-talkie. You gotta post it. Yeah,
¿Y
that's.
aquel que es?
Look, but why is it not bouncy?
¿La polea?
Una
¿No
polea.
la viste?
I know it does.
Sí, ya la
Why is it
vieron.
not bouncy? I know.
We have to figure it out.
He took the He came there.
Okay, do you want to see what's in your stockings?
Which stocking? Whoa! Whoa!
What did you get?
This is totally.
Wait, Rocco, hold on.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Those are from Tata.
Ooh, Jack.
Come over here and open your stocking, your Minnie Mouse stocking.
It's a regular virus. This one. Oh, gloves! The
Whoa.
Oh, you got your written gloves, Rocco?
Look, these and a rainbow color set. Look. And there's something else in there. Whoa, can't be that. And there's something else in there. Whoa, I know these. You take it off and it goes like.
What was that?
Watch, Mom, look. Rocco, you got these. More. Whoa! More! Rainbow bracelets. That's it.
There's something else.
Oh, I didn't
Did you see this?
Yeah.
Wow.
And Luca got those kind of gloves.
Luca, déjame ver ese reloj.
And let
Waterproof.
me see how much more presents are in there. Whoa, way more, way.
Oh.
Oh! Look at that.
Qué cantidad de regalos.
Wow, Lisa brought a lot of. Look at that broom.
Oh, yeah, what is that?
Angry Bird Band-Aids.
All right.
Let me see.
Not on the floor, honey.
Oh, I got candies. I just put a This is socks. Yeah, I got snacks. Oh. Oh, I got robot socks.
Nice.
Even more!
Oh my god! I think you're happy with what Santa brought you, huh, Rocco?
Uh-huh.
Wow,
Let's see what's in your stocking.
No, don't look at my stocking yet.
Look, a candy.
A chocolate orange.
That's for who?
Go
You.
give that one to Tata. I think that one, Santa left that one for Tata, the red one.
Is this para tus sweats?
Oh, don't throw it.
Para mí. No puedo creer. Gracias, Luz.
It's de Santa. It's de Santa.
Okay. Gracias, Santa. Wow.
You must have been a good boy.
Ay, mira qué linda.
Okay, can you
Uy,
open
Santa estuvo elegantísimo.
Where's mine? That was mine.
Which one?
That was mine. No, that was not mine.
Oh.
No, this was mine.
Oye, que Santa tan lindo.
Yeah, this is mine. You
This is
bring
mine?
this one over here.
Para.
Las uñas,
Mom.
sí, para poner.
Mom, can you open mine?
I need some scissors. Go get me some scissors. Carry them away.
Wow.
Open this then.
Una máscara facial, qué chévere. Uy, qué cantidad de cosas, Santa.